What is the carbon cycle? The carbon cycle is the biogeochemical cycle by which carbon is exchanged among the biosphere, geosphere, pedosphere, hydrosphere, and the atmosphere of Earth. The carbon cycle is key to Earth's ability to sustaining life successfully. Carbon is recycled and reused throughout the biosphere. Carbon moves from the atmosphere to plants. Plants, algae, and cyanobacteria remove carbon dioxide from the air. The plants and other producers then use the carbon they absorbed in order to make carbohydrates in the photosynthesis process. Carbon moves from plants to animals. Animals feed on plants and other vegetation, therefore the carbon from the plants moves to the animals as they eat them. The cycle continues as animals eat other animals through the food chain. The carbon consumed by these animals is exhaled in respiration as carbon dioxide, returning carbon into the air. Carbon moves from plants and animals to the ground. Dead plants and animals are consumed by decomposers in the ground. The carbon residing in the bodies of the deceased is then released back into the atmosphere as carbon dioxide as decomposers decompose dead organisms. In certain circumstances, decomposition is prevented or cannot be completed. In these cases, the dead plants or animals can be transformed to usable fossil fuels for combustion. Carbon moves from fossil fuels to the atmosphere when fuel is burned. Fossil fuel is burned in order for people to obtain energy and make gas for our cars. Energy obtained through fossil fuels is used to make electricity and run our power plants and factories. The combustion of fossil fuel releases a heavy amount of CO2, O2, and water vapor in the atmosphere. These emissions contribute to the world's global warming issue because the excess CO2 traps heat in the atmosphere. This is an example of the negative human impact on the carbon cycle.